So you start with the thinnest brush that you have. This was the thinnest that I had, and you take the micellar water that you have. This is Garnier micellar water, and dip it inside like this. And you can use a thinner brush if you have, and select the brightest eyeshadow that you have. I don't have much variety of bright eyeshadows, so this might actually work better in really good light, yellow color or lemon green or something like that. This one was the brightest that I had. So first when I applied, it was not coming that bright, so I actually dipped the brush again into the micellar water, and it was working really well. Make sure the brush is really wet, and I'm just creating shapes here. So it's as simple as that. So one thing that I have to say is it's a bit patchy. It's not like how you see on TikTok, but it is a bit patchy. But if you like go with 2-3 layers, it might work as well. And I'm just creating more lines and graphic lines just to create shapes. It's just optional, but this is me trying the but this is me just trying out the hacks that I saw on the internet. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, if you want me to try out more hacks, let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.